In order to make a Pokenav in Minecraft Cobblemon, you're going to need all these materials in my inventory and in my hotbar. So the first order of business is you want to take out your crafting table, and we're going to be making two different parts. And then we're going to combine them to create the Pokenav. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to place your amethyst shard here, take 2 copper ingots, take 2 pieces of glass, and a redstone lamp on top here. And then that is going to allow you to create an upgrade. So that is one component of the Pokenav that we will need to create. Now, the next order of business is to take out 4 pieces of gold, put them right here in the corners, take out your iron ingots, fill it up on the sides, and in the center, go ahead and place a block of redstone in order to create an electrolyzer. This is another essential component of the Pokenav that you will need to make. Alright, now to make the Pokenav itself, what you want to do is you want to take your copper ingots, place 4 of them each on every single corner, place an iron ingot on top right here, place a redstone dust down there. You will also need to put an upgrade there and an electrolyzer, and you will also need a single diamond. So let me go ahead and get the diamond. I apologize. Again, the Pokenav is actually relatively expensive. You are going to need a lot of different items and ores and stuff like that. All right, then you want to go ahead and place your electrolyzer right here, your upgrade there, then your piece of redstone in the bottom, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and create your Pokenav. You could also go ahead and add a dye to your Pokenav if you want to go ahead and change the color. That is 100% up to you, but afterwards, you should be good to go, and you are going to have a ton of fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.